Back now with better health. Chicken nuggets aren't necessarily a healthy snack, but Ashley Brodeur from Active Lifestyle Fitness here to show us how we can make them gluten-free, dairy-free, and grain-free.
Super healthy, right?
It's better than deep frying them.
Yeah, exactly.
I would think.
And who doesn't love chicken nuggets, right?
So, it's the go-to.
Yeah, there we go.
Especially for people with kids, I feel like that's the easiest thing to pop in. They
Yeah.
always want to eat that.
Yeah, and you can make them at home. It's really easy, and I'm going to show you.
All right, let's do it.
All right, so we start with some chicken tenders. These are the organic ones from Big Y. You can get regular ones, organic ones, whatever works for you. The mistake I made the first time that I made these was I cut them too small. They shrink in the oven, so don't cut them too small, or you have little bite-sized ones. Unless that's what you want, then you can do that. So what I did is just cut off the pointy end here, and then I just cut them in half like that. So just use, you get 2 out of 1 chicken tender.
Okay.
And then I'm going to have you crack the egg in the bowl here. Oop. Sorry.
Drop the egg.
And then we're going to use just kind of a little almond flour, really just enough to coat the chicken tenders. It doesn't have to be a ton, about a cup or so. We're going to put in a little bit of salt. And you can add any seasonings you want here.
Right,
but I
which
like
makes
salt.
it so nice.
Yes. Garlic powder.
Need that.
Yes. Red pepper. Do you like a little spicy?
I do.
Yeah, all right.
Just a little, though.
Just a little bit. We'll do just a little bit there. And then with the egg, we're going to add in a little bit of lemon here.
What does that do?
That just gives a little extra flavor.
Okay.
And let me grab a fork for you. We're going to mix that up real fast.
And you do it how you would with normal tenders if you were doing chicken parm or something.
So any kind of, it's like a normal breading that you would really do. So we're going to take that. We're just going to mix this up a little bit. Just get those in there together.
Get right in there. Why not?
We're using fingers here. Why not? Yep. And so now we're going to take, one little piece of the tender, put it in there. I just use my fingers. I hope you don't mind.
That's okay. I won't eat raw chicken. So.
Okay, great. Good. That's probably healthy for you too.
Yeah, nobody wants that.
And we're just going to coat it here, and then you're just going to pop it in the oven, 350 degrees for 35 minutes until they get nice and crunchy, nice and golden brown like that. And you can add it with any kind of sauce. I brought along a little yogurt dressing, if you want to use a yogurt dressing.
Last time you had this, it was so good.
It is good. Bolt House Farms from Big Y has a bunch of different types in there that you can have with that. You do ketchup as long as you don't overdo it, but gives a little.
Is that because of the sugar in ketchup?
Yeah, I mean ketchup's not the greatest for you, but if you get an organic, regular kind of ketchup, then you're probably okay. But yes, so hopefully you like them. I thought they were a pretty good substitute. And they give, a little crunchier when they come right out of the oven, a little softer.
I like these better.
Do you really? Awesome. Yeah. Almond flour makes a great substitute than using regular flour. Makes it gluten-free, dairy-free, any allergies that you could possibly have to anything is kind of eliminated with this whole recipe.
That was so easy.
Yeah.
I feel like, and how long was it in the oven again?
35 minutes. So it takes a little bit of time, but you could do a whole bunch of them because that was really fast to put them together and just do a whole bunch, throw them in the oven, and you're good to go.
After that, I would imagine too.
Put them in the refrigerator, you're fine, If
you want to save them for later.
Yeah.
All right, what are the calories on it? Do we know?
Not too many calories because you're really only using a half a piece of chicken here, so I'd guesstimate under 100 calories per piece, so not too bad.
Not bad at all.
Yeah.
Where can we get more of a breakdown on this?
I posted this recipe on our website, activelifestylefitness.com. Check out the blog section.
It's delicious. Try it out. Yay.